up? I'm gonna be doing a vlog of my dirt bike. It's a Mx650 dirt bike. It's electric. Goes 15 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour. You can stand on it, do wheelies. You can do, it's basically an actual dirt bike, except it's electric. It's made of plastic and it runs on electric, so it's yellow and I'll show you. This is it, right here. Has the number 4 right there. It has the number 4 over there. And it has it right there. It says Razor on the seats. This is also a Razor. The Mx650. Razor down there. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Razor right there. That's the motor, the wheels. You do have to oil it sometimes. The throttle right here. So you would push that to go. Razor again. Back tire. It has a kickstand too. There is the little switch right there. That on and off right there. You can see the on part and that's it. Here, I'll turn it off. So there's the on and off. Oh, there, you just saw it. There, on and off. That thing. The plug right there, that should be shut. Why is this stuck? It's stuck right now. Yeah, that's my dirt bike. Later, oh yeah, it says Razor right here too. Later, I will be doing another one of my dirt bike, an example of how it looks when I'm riding it. I'm gonna get a suction cup and a GoPro, and I'm gonna use my dad's GoPro, and I'm gonna stick it on my helmet, and then we're gonna ride. I'll ride it for you right now a little if I can find a place to put the camera. Yeah, I think I found a place, yeah. Well, I'll do it later. And yeah, I'll stick the thing on my helmet, the suction cup on my helmet. Oh, it also has these brands on the back. So yeah, I'll stick it on my helmet and yeah, then I'll ride it a little. So bye for now and peace. Hey guys, you're on my helmet and I'm gonna be riding my dirt bike. Here's my equipment. Hopefully you can see. You are on my helmet. Here's my dirt bike again. And this time you're on my helmet and I can ride it. Let's go. I have a question for all of you watching this right now. Can you guys make me hit 500 subscribers? I'm going to set that a goal. I'm going to make that a goal. It's a goal. The goal today is to get 500 subscribers. Because if I do, I might get a P.O. box. And then you guys can send fan mail to me. And I can do unboxing videos. That's my goal right there. That's why I had to go slow. This thing goes 20 miles per hour. This is the fastest one, I think.
Yellow is the fastest, I think. If the camera raises up, it's because I keep standing every once in a while, like this. I'm standing right now, so I would think the camera raised up. Hopefully you guys can hear me right now. Once again, I'm gonna try to hit 500 subscribers because I might get a PO box if I do. Go, 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 go. This is so fun. It also says racer on that little foam part. We had to adjust it again a little bit, but it's still in the same spot. There's the woods behind my house. Yeah, no, go, go. Lost, I'm here. Whoa! Lost. I need a stick. This thing is faster than the Doom buggies, definitely.